She don't like the rain. She don't like things crashing down. Yeah. She won't make a complaint. Baby. I bet that I can show you how.
Y'all already know what time it is. Let me get a little appreciation for the matcha. Guys, I think in my last video, I'm pretty sure it was my last video, y'all came with me and I bought the matcha powder from, I think it's called Hashi Market. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but I've been making matcha at home every single day since that day. I haven't been to Blank Street because that's where I was getting my matcha. I haven't been there in like three weeks, maybe like 2.5. I haven't spent $8 a day on a matcha because I don't need to, because I can make it at home. Hello, I can make it at home. If I knew it was this easy to make a matcha at home and for it to be just as good, I would have been did this. I'm currently getting ready to head outside, y'all. I woke up at 8 a.m. and I had plans to get up and get out the house by 10 a.m. get my shopping done, get my little food, you know, like get everything out of my system, come home, chill. I procrastinate for everything. Like, why am I procrastinating going outside? And I want to go outside. It's like, today we are shopping for Tamia's birthday gift. Shopping for the friend who has everything is genuinely so difficult. It's like, okay, what do I get her when she literally has everything? And I don't like getting people gifts unless I know that they're going to enjoy the gift and actually use the gift. Otherwise, I feel like I just spent my money for no reason. What I came up with is kind of basic, but like, it works. It's basic, but it's timeless and it works for everybody. Alright, I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera and get dressed and all of that so that I can just get out the house, girl, because it's literally like about to be, it's literally 1:15. And I want to be out the house by at least like 1:45. Even before that, like I would say 1:30, but I feel like that's pushing it. So let's just say 1:45. I want to be out the house. I can only hope. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, we're in Target. I already checked upstairs to see if they have the bloom that Tamia likes. She likes the cherry lime one. That's her favorite, but they don't have that one. They literally have like every single other option but that one. So I still want to get her the bloom, so I'm definitely going to end up probably going to the second Target to find it. I'm looking for the EOS currently, the little like, you know, the vanilla cashmere. I see they have these, but I want like the full size version. I'm sure they have it somewhere. I'm in the beauty section right now and I don't see it, but I'm sure it has to be somewhere. I found it. I'm gonna get her this one, but they also have like a bunch of other products that I've literally never seen before. This is cute. It has Lavender Cloud. It's a hair, body, and linen mist. I don't see Tamia wearing this on her body, but maybe for her sheets. I don't know. I like this a lot. This is nice. I don't know though. Should I get her a mug? Wait, this Stanley is so cute. I don't know about 51 though. This is cute. It's $51 though.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah, I don't know. This is also cute, but I like this. I feel like this is definitely more Tamia's vibe. This one is cute, but at the same time, it's like, and I know Tamia is gonna watch this too. I've literally never seen Tamia with the water bottle, ever. Like maybe like twice in my entire. I don't even know how many years I've been on Tamia. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh god, I don't need it though. Guys, I found the gold. I found the gold. Candles, we found them. I'm gonna go for this one because it's cute and like, I don't know. Or should I get this one? Like, this is the only one that I feel like Tamia would like. But the rest of them genuinely stink. Like, they smell like shit from my butt. So, let's check out. Hi. Okay, so I see they have these, but they don't have the clear one. They have, like, everything but the one I need again. It's like a running theme today, so I thought that I wanted to try a color, but honestly I don't like any of these. I don't know, like these are just not my cup of tea. I'm definitely gonna end up buying another clear one today, but that would be if they had any. So I don't know, let me find another worker and ask, because I really don't want to walk to another Sephora. That's a lot right now. I'd rather just get it here if I can. We'll see. I feel extremely accomplished. Honestly, I didn't spend out of my budget. I got everything that I wanted to get for Tamia. I did get a little bit. I got 2 things for myself, and I'll get into that when I get back in the house. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Okay, I'm back. I did a little bit of shopping today, just a little bit. I didn't spend that much money, I'm not gonna lie. I think I spent like, okay, I did spend a lot of money, but it's okay guys, money comes back. It's a lot of shit. No, the candle, it like broke. It's not broken, but like, oh, I'm dumb. Got a little bit messed up though. You can see there's an indentation, but it's irritating me because it had a cap on it. So I mean, I don't know, I guess I did kind of stuff the bag, but damn, it's okay, it still works. All right, I kind of feel like I should have got 2 bags and doubled it because I think the drinks might be too heavy. I can always buy another bag. And I kind of want to like layer stuff. Like it's like a treasure hunt, you know, like she's searching for it. Anyways, a regular 5-star notebook. Got her these purple pens. So it's this cute little candle. And then I got her these bag of Jolly Ranchers. It's all in a bag. Wait, this is so cute. The bag is definitely a lot heavier than what I anticipated for it to be. Well, I mean, I guess it's not that bad. I don't know. I don't know. Welcome back to the vlog. It's crunch time. push it. All right, guys, say hi to the vlog. Oh, something great.
Regular lobster. Fancy.
Hello, happy birthday to Mia.
Shrimp garlic butter.
Oh my gosh, can they see me? Hi guys, I'm already a little turned. Anyways, it's Mimi's birthday. Love you, Mimi girl. Mwah.
Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since I left the city,
Yes. Absolutely.
champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some
Happy birthday, good Puma. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Tamia. Bro, I gotta use this. This is all over the place.
Okay, for my birthday, I wish everybody at this table to have good health, prosperity, and wealth. God continue to bless y'all, and we all be prosperous in our lives. And I love everybody for coming out and celebrating this day. Thank you and thank God. Amen. Here's to 22.
Love you, my girl. And I hate chocolate cake, so who wants? Yeah, shake that bow. Shake that bow.
That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city,
Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Y'all already know I'm in a rush. I didn't put enough matcha, so it's kind of like extra milky, and I'm not really a fan of that. I'm really not a fan of that at all. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up in quite of a bad mood. I'm trying to like not let it, affect everybody else, but like I woke up annoyed. So yeah, I'm actually kind of glad that we're going to yoga because I need to decompress or whatever. Like I need to get it out of my system. I need to leave the house like now. Like now.
Feel like in the nighttime, watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in a strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Costco, that's just time, nigga, butter. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your toony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house. Right quick. Tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shawty. Come bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood.
Okay, we're all settled in. If you see my Levo, no, you don't. Hi, long time no see. No, but like for real though, long time no see. It's been a minute. I recorded this video the end of March. It's the end of May. I've just been like busy with life. Like I want to do this. I want to edit. I want to blah blah, but it's so hard to do. Like, I really want to know how people who do this as a job do it as a job, because even as a hobby for me, it's just so hard for me to find time to do it with like my job, friend obligations, family obligations. It's really hard to find time to like just sit down and fucking edit or do anything really. But anyways, I didn't mean to go on a tangent. I just wanted to say hello. Because I have no outro, obviously. I never have an outro, so are we shocked? We're not shocked. Yeah, I don't know. I really do plan on being more consistent. I really do. I want to do this for myself. I mean, obviously, like, I want to grow my channel, like, stuff like that, but I want to do it for myself because I want to do it. It's just hard to do it. But anyways, please like the video. Please, if you got this far, just like the video. Please hype the video if you have any hypes, because that helps me a lot, okay? Maybe I won't struggle with being consistent if, like, you know, work with me, guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be consistent. I have mad like footage. I have like 6 or maybe like 8 hours of footage that I haven't edited yet. That's like what, 3 videos? Yeah, I don't know. That was it. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. Everything is gonna be in the bio, of course. Yeah. If you made it this far, I love you so much. And I'll see you in the next one.